Ladies and gentlemen, right now my video guide is about getting rid of dangerous pop-up windows that are associated with the website absolutamente.com. The pop-up indicates that you need to press allow in order to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that whenever the allow button is clicked by mistake, the browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So people start getting redirected to a lot of pop-up ads and strange websites because of these pop-up ads becoming active. The point is that after the allow button is clicked, the site absolutamente.com start displaying a lot of advertisement banners in the form of push notifications. Of course, the feature of web push notifications may be decent in many cases, with decent websites. However, when we are talking about the resource called absolutamente.com, it is extremely dangerous because instead of redirecting the content to itself, it tries to forward you to a lot of other malicious pages in the internet that may infect your computer with some other potentially unwanted programs like adware, browser hijackers, and so on. So do not click on allow, and if the allow button was clicked by mistake, you need to immediately fix your browser. Go to the menu of your browser, click on settings, then you need to scroll down to the area called privacy and security and choose site settings. Now in permissions, select notifications and carefully research the allow area. So you'll find this website absolutamente.com. You may remove it from this list and delete other dangerous pages from this list. There is a great number of such third-party sites that try to show a lot of third-party irrelevant content through your screen. So be very careful and delete all these malicious pages. I would also recommend that you scan your Windows computer with Combo Cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software and scanning your system with this tool to make sure it is free of any other hidden threats. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type, however, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.